Hello everyone, welcome to Kajabi. My name is Tony and I'm going to give you a quick look on how to build your website, how to build your product, and how to sell that product on Kajabi. Let's dive in by building our product first. If you go to the Products tab, you'll notice that this is where the products you have already created will live. To create a new product, go ahead and click on the New Product button. From here, you'll see that Kajabi has created 3 templates for you. We call them our product blueprints. For a smaller course, you can use the mini course. For a larger course, you can use the online course. Or if you would like to drip out your content over time, you can use the evergreen training. Today, we're going to try the online course. From here, go ahead and click Generate Online Course Product and give it a name to your new product. Once you're done, then click Save. Once your product loads, you'll notice a couple different sections of the page. You'll see that right in front, we've given you an outline already. Now, these aren't filled with any videos or content, it's just the skeleton, but you'll see that this is how you're going to be arranging your course. First, you have the course introduction category. The categories are in gray, as with the fundamentals, the what, the why, the how, and the posts are in white. You'll see these here with welcome to the course, about your instructor, and outline and objectives. The categories are just for organization, but the posts are what really are going to hold your videos, your content, everything like that. So if you want to add more posts to a category, you can click on this button here and add a post. Now that you've created a new post, you can choose which order you'd like it to go in simply by clicking and dragging up and down. Or you can move it to a completely new category if you'd like as well. But maybe you don't like the order of the categories as well. You can click on the 2 lines and move them down the page. Finally, let's go ahead and get into the post and see what we can really build in Kajabi. On this page, you'll see immediately you have the option to upload a video or upload an assessment, which is like a quiz inside of your course. You can also add a title and a text portion, which can be a transcript of your video or just additional text. To the right here, you'll see that you can publish your product or keep it in draft mode for the time being. You can add a poster image, which is a great way to wrap up and brand your entire product. You can add downloads, which can be a PDF, document, an audio file, anything you can think of. Lastly, you can have a comments section. You can leave it visible, you can have them hidden, or you can lock them. And to delete the post, you just click on the red text that says Delete Post. So now that we know how to create a product, let's learn how to sell it. On the left sidebar, go ahead and click on the Offers tab. You can think of an offer as a price tag for your course. An offer can hold many products and be a bundle, or it can hold just one. It can be a one-time payment, or it can be a subscription payment. Either way, let's go ahead and click on Add a New Offer. Initially, it'll ask us to choose a title for our offer, the product that we wish to add to it, and the price. Once this page loads, you'll see that we have very similar options. We can add a title, an internal title, a description. We can also set it to draft if we do not want anyone to see it, and of course we can edit our price. Now this is where you'll get to have the other options of a one-time payment. You can have multiple payments here. You can choose the number of payments, the currency, Stripe or PayPal, and you can have a recurring subscription, such as a monthly fee, a trial, or even a setup fee. Moving down the page, you can add a picture, and this is what's going to show up on the checkout page. You can include more products than just the one we had. You can include an upsell for after the checkout process, and you can even add a cart abandonment email. There are also plenty of other options here, such as beginning access to a certain date, restricting access for a certain amount of days, or other ones for after the purchase, such as tagging a member and sending them to a thank you page. So now that we've created a price for our product, now we need to get people to purchase it. The best way to do that is by using our pipelines feature. So let's click on the marketing tab, and immediately it'll put us into our pipelines tab. Now, we've created one already called the free report. This is the page where you can see all the ones that you've created, but let's go ahead and create a new one. If you haven't heard the word pipeline before, you can think of it as an advanced version of a funnel. So do me a favor really quick and picture a funnel in your mind. You have a funnel with a large top and a small bottom opening. That's where a large number of leads can convert to a small number of customers. Now, we've created pipelines in a way so that the same number of leads that come in convert to the same number of customers, and it's an incredible process. However, just like the products, we've given you plenty of templates to choose from. You can start with the free report, where we give you an email capture landing page that leads to a thank you page. You can start off with the promotional offer one, which is also a great option that starts with a landing page, leads them to a sales page, and hopefully to a checkout page. There are plenty of other options here to choose from as well, such as a virtual summit, a webinar, and so many more. For this demo, we're going to go ahead and dive into the promotional offer pipeline. Feel free to watch the video from Kenny, but today we're just going to go ahead and create it. Just like the offer, we're going to ask a couple of key points to your pipeline, such as the name, the file that you would like us to send people when they opt in, and the offer. Now, when you choose this file, it's going to automatically send this to people in the first email of the email sequence. A pipeline is basically a collection of landing pages, email sequences, and forms that we've wired together for you. So go ahead and click your free report and the offer you'd wish to sell, then click Generate Pipeline. On this page, you'll see the flow of your pipeline. You can see that we've already created it for you too. The first landing page we've created is called Email Capture, and when they put their email on that page, they'll automatically be given this email called the Promotional Offer Sequence. Now, after they've submitted that form, they'll be automatically redirected to the sales page, and if they are convinced to purchase your offer, then they'll click that blue button on the page and be brought to the offer checkout page. As you can see, once they click the offer and purchase, they'll be granted access to your product. And it's all here laid out for you. You can add pages, you can add videos, you can add anything you want and totally customize this to your need. Now the last step is to actually get people going through this pipeline. So we're going to hook it up to our homepage. All you have to do is click copy on this link. Then we'll go to our website tab. Now your website is built within a theme, and today we're going to be using the Premier theme. The Premier theme controls the theme for all of these pages here. For instance, the library is the first page that they will see when they log into their account. You also have the login page, the 404 pages, any blog pages that you have. Today, we're just going to customize the home page, but the customization rules that you will learn will apply to all of them. So go ahead and click on Customize. Next, we've been brought to the theme editor. Now this is the Premier theme. It's our simplest and our most customizable theme. On the left, you'll see a bit of a control panel where we can click to edit our header, each of the sections on the page, our footer, and our pop-up options. Now you'll notice on the left that we have a hero section, a features section, 2 text and image sections, and a call to action section. This actually correlates with the sections in our preview. We have a hero section, we call this a features section, 2 text and image sections, and a call to action section. Now, this is just a template. This is what we've preloaded on the page, and you have so many other options to build your website with. So go ahead and click on Add Section on the left to see all of the other options. You'll see that you can add an assessment, which can act as a survey, a blog post feed, a countdown timer, a call to action button, Facebook comments, a hero section, image galleries, link lists. Whatever you can think of, you can do it on Kajabi. We have opt-in forms, sales pages, showcases, a slideshow, social cards, spacers, testimonials, all of these. You can even add a video. So we're going to go ahead and choose one here. Just for an example, we'll use the pricing options one. When you click one to add, it'll automatically load it to the bottom of the page, and to add it and confirm it, go ahead and click the blue add button. Now the great thing about Kajabi is that you can actually click to edit absolutely anything. You'll notice that around my mouse you have these blue boxes. Now if you want to edit something on the page, all you have to do is click it. So go ahead and click on pricing options, and you'll see it highlights this section here. If we want to edit this section, we'll click on it and it'll highlight this section here. Now if we'd like to edit a price, we can go ahead and click on it and it'll take us to that page and edit it. The same thing goes for colors, background images, regular images, and anything on this page, even call to action buttons. If you'd like to choose where that goes, you can allow it to go to a URL, it can download a file, it can go to one of your landing pages, whatever you'd like, and choose a destination. Now if you want to change the flow of your page, all you have to do is click on the section you'd like to move and move it up and down the page. And that's it. With all of those tools, you have every tool you need and strategy to customize your website and have it looking beautiful and ready to launch. Now, in order to get our pipeline going, all we have to do is add it to a call to action button. We'll have it go to a URL and we'll copy in the link that it gave us. Lastly, we'll click save. And there you have it. You've just built a product, an offer, a pipeline, and a website. From here, people will land on your website, go through your pipeline, purchase your offer, and take your course. And that's it. You've done it. So if you have any questions, by all means, reach out to us at support@kajabi.com, and we'd be more than happy to help. Bye-bye.